My name is Chohan and I'm a wellness coach. I had gained a lot of nutritional knowledge over the last few years, but I always felt that there was something missing, and I think this training has been that piece of the puzzle for me because it bridged the gap for me between knowledge and wisdom, and I think that's what's given me the confidence to actually go out there and help people and turn my passion into reality. Whereas before it was just a passion, but now I feel confident that I have the knowledge and the wisdom to be able to make a difference in other people's lives. So it's not only made a difference in my life, it's given me the confidence to make a difference in other people's lives as well. I would say that when I was in the corporate world, I had the best job. I was earning the money that I wanted. I was living the life that I wanted, but there was a disconnection with myself, with my inner world. And when my journey started with me getting interested into health, I started to connect with myself a little more, and this training has just fast forwarded that process for me. I'm just so much more connected with myself. So even though I'm not earning as much money as I would like to, and I don't have the life that I had before, I just feel much more happier and connected to the things that matter in life. So connected to myself, my family, and all the people, my loved ones, and I was disconnected from them before. So if someone's in a corporate environment, I would tell them to look inside and ask yourself, is this the life that you really want? Are these the things that really matter to you? And your inner voice will tell you the answer. Because this course is so much more than health. It's about life. And I've gained life skills here that I don't think I could have learned in a lifetime. So what I've learned in the last 9 months has been amazing for me. Like I said, I was just so disconnected with the things that really matter in life. And I feel like I'm much more present in everything that I do. I appreciate the little things of life, which I didn't do before. So I'm more present with my kids. I'm a better human being. I'm a better mother. I'm a better wife. And I'm a better daughter as well to my parents. So really, really connected with everything that matters in life, yeah. It's not because I'm sad or, it's because it's overwhelming to talk about it. I got so much more. I'm so grateful for Mark for sharing his entire life work with us in 9 months. It's amazing. I feel so grateful.